Tough, they got you locked up for life, my boy. What the hell wrong with you? Hey, yo!
Macaquinho, R$ 2 presente misterioso. Presente misterioso. Filha da puta.